Straight Lines Part 17.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session I will discuss few problems. See the first problem. Find the equation of the straight line parallel to this line. Okay. So you need to find the equation of the straight line. This straight line is parallel to this line. Okay. Parallel to 3x plus 4y minus 7 equals to 0. And passing through the point of intersection of two lines. So required straight line is passing through point of intersection of two lines. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2 that are given. So you need to find this equation of the line. So see here solution. See here given line 3x plus 4y minus 7 equals to 0. Okay. See a required line parallel to a bowline. If two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Therefore, slope of this line is equals to slope of required line. So therefore, slopes are equal. Therefore, slope of required line, that is m, is equal to minus a by b, that is minus 3 by 4. And also required line passing through the point of intersection of 1 and 2. See here, and given lines x minus 2y minus 3 equals 0. This is equation 1. And x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. This is equation 2. Now find point of intersection of 1 and 2. Now solving 1 and 2. See here x, y constant. So start from middle term and write horizontal. Minus 2, minus 3, 1, minus 2. So here also 3, minus 6, 1, 3. Okay. So now therefore x by 12 plus 9, 21, and y by minus 3 plus 6, that is 3, and constant by 3 plus 2, 5. Therefore point is what? 21 by 5 comma 3 by 5. So therefore required line through this point, suppose this is point P, so through P, and slope m is equals to what? Minus 3 by 4 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now this is x1 y1, so y minus 3 by 5 is equals to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 21 by 5. Now this is what? 5y minus 3 by 5. This is equal to minus 3 by 4 into 5x minus 21 by 5. So both sides 5 get cancelled. Now cross multiplication. So 4 into 5. 20y minus 12. This is equal to, so this is minus 3 into minus 5x. Minus 15x plus 3 into 21. That is 63. Now this is 15x plus 20y minus 75 is equals to 0. Okay. So 5 is common, you will get 3x plus 4y minus 15 equals to 0. So this is the required straight line. So see the second solution. Find the equation of the straight line. So that line is perpendicular to the line. So that line is what? 2x plus 3y is equals to 0. And required line passing through the point of intersection of two lines. So this line is passing through the point of intersection of two lines. So this is equation 2. This is equation 3. This is equation 1. Okay. Now you need to find this equation of the straight line. So see here given lines 2x plus 3y equals to 0. This is equation 1. Okay. Now see here, required line perpendicular to equation 1. So therefore product of the slopes is minus 1. That is slope of 1 is m is equals to minus 2 by 3. See here, required line perpendicular to 1. Therefore slope of required line. So what is that? Suppose this is m1, this is m2 is equal to m is equals to. So write reverse 3 by 2. Here minus is there, you have to write plus. Okay. Now and passing through the point of intersection of two lines. That lines are given x plus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0 and x minus 2y plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay. This is equation 2. This is equation 3. So solving both of them. So subtract these two. You get plus 3 plus 2. 5y minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 is equals to 0. So y is equals to 1. So therefore from equation 2, x plus 3 minus 1 is equals to 0. X is equal to minus 2. Therefore point is what? Therefore point P is minus 2 comma 1. So this point is what? P minus 2 comma 1. See here, therefore required line through minus 2 comma 1, this is x1 y1, and having the slope 3 by 2 is what? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So substitute x1 y1 and the slope m. So what you get? Y minus 1 is equal to, what is the slope? 3 by 2. X minus x1 you will get plus 2. So cross multiplication, 2y minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 6. So send right side, then it becomes 3x minus 2y plus 8 equals to 0. So this is the required straight line. So now we will discuss few 2 marks problems. See the first one. Find the orthocenter of the triangle whose sides are given. See here, given 4x minus 7y plus 10 is equals to 0. This is equation 1. Next one, x plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. This is equation 2. Next, 7x plus 4y minus 15 equals to 0. This is equation 3. So once you observe equation 1 and equation 3, so clearly these two lines are perpendicular. See here, slope of 1 m1 is equal to 4 by 7 and slope of 3 m2 is equal to minus 7 by 4. So m1 m2 is minus 1. Therefore equation 1 perpendicular to equation 3. Therefore the point of intersection of perpendicular lines is called as orthocenter. So see here, given sides are forms a right angle triangle. Okay, suppose this is A, B, C. Now this is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. So solving 1 and 3, you will get the orthocenter B. So because of two lines are perpendicular. Now see here, you know that the point of intersection of perpendicular lines is orthocenter. Okay. Therefore you need to find point of intersection of 1 and 3. So therefore point of intersection of 1 and 3. See a point of intersection of these two. So x, y constant. You start from middle term and write horizontally. Minus 7, 10, 4 minus 7. Here 4 minus 15, 7, 4. Now x by 15 to 7. 105 minus 40. Okay, so clear, this is 65. Now y by 70 plus 60, that is 130. Now constant by 16 plus 49, 65. Now therefore x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Therefore the orthocenter is 1, 2. Okay. So this is the point B. This is called as orthocenter. See our second solution. Find the incenter of the triangle whose sides are given. So given lines x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Next, x plus y is equal to 1. Or x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. This is equation 3. Okay. Suppose this is the triangle ABC. Okay. So you need to find BC side, that is A. You need to find AC side, that is B. You need to find AB side, that is C. Now apply the incenter formula. See here. First you need to find points of. So first you need to find vertices of triangle ABC. Okay. So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. This is equation 3. So first solving equation 1 and 2. So clearly we will get point A is 1, 1. Okay. So x is 1, y is 1. So this is 1, 1. Now solving 2 and 3. Solving equation 2 and 3. So clearly y value is 1. Substitute here, what you get? X is 0. Therefore point C is what? Y is 1, x is 0. So that is 0, 1. Now solving equation 1 and 3. So x is 1. Substitute here, what you get? Y is 0. That is B point is 1, 0. So this is 1, 0. This is C 0, 1. Okay. So this is not exact figure. Okay. Now find BC distance. So BC is equals to small a is equal to square root of 1 minus 0 whole square. That is 1 plus 1. You will get root 2. Now find AC distance. So AC is equal to small b. That is square root of 0 minus 1 whole square. That is 1 plus 1 minus 1 whole square. That is 0. So we will get 1. Next find AB distance. That is small c. Square root of 1 minus 1. 0. 0 minus 1. We will get 1. That is 1. Therefore in center is equals to what? I is equals to ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c, comma ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c. Okay. So clearly this point is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. So apply here, what you get? ax1, that is root 2 into 1 root 2 bx2. So 1 into x1 you will get 1 plus cx3 you will get 0. So divide by a plus b plus c. So what you get? Root 2 plus 1 plus 1. That is 2 plus root 2. ay1, that is root 2 plus by2, that is 0 plus cy3. So what is c1? y3 is 1. So root 2 plus 1 by 2 plus root 2. So this is what? Root 2 plus 1 by 2 plus root 2, comma root 2 plus 1 by 2 plus root 2. Now in denominator this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So see here, root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is common. You will get root 2 plus 1, comma again root 2 plus 1. Root 2 is common, root 2 plus 1. Root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1 get cancelled. You will get 1 by root 2, comma 1 by root 2. This is the in center of the triangle whose sides are x equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and x plus y equals to 1. So for next session I will discuss new chapter